Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can view downloaded videos from Telegram by your file manager on your device. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure, friends, to put your likes and write comments. So let's get started. And now I'll show you everything step by step. First, friends, you will need to find a file manager on your device. It may be called a file manager, or just files, or folders like this. Just look for it on your device. Once you find a file manager like that, you'll need to go to a list like this. It's going to be a similar page. If you have an Android here, every Android has a title page like this. It might be different. But you'll see that there's different kinds of media files and different kinds of where you can save your information. And so on. You'll need to either find My Phone or just Phone. Or you can immediately see an option called Internal Memory. Click on it. Next, you will need to scroll through and find a folder called Downloads. In this folder, you'll be able to see the Telegram folder. Click on it. And that way you will see, friends, the files that you have previously downloaded as a file to your device. If you don't find the Telegram folder, then you can see that maybe you don't have that folder. Maybe you have all your previously downloaded videos in a folder called Downloads. Either way, you'll just have to search through the various folders that you have on your device. Once you go to the internal memory, and there you will at any rate find all the previously downloaded videos and from the Telegram of your device. Friends, I hope this video helped you. You have seen how you can view the surrounded videos from Telegram in the file manager on your device. Please, friends, don't forget to write comments, put your likes under this video, and also friends, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Take care, friends.